Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I don't really know what all we're gonna do today. We're gonna do a bunch of stuff today. We just got done training back and biceps. We went heavy on our back today and hypertrophy on our biceps. Felt really good. I felt strong, felt powerful, felt good. Crystal's super sore from this week's workout, so she's liking the workouts as well. Today, we're actually gonna meet up with one of Crystal's clients who works on the Air Force Base, and he's gonna take us through a C-130 simulator. So we gotta jump in the simulator for like an hour, and then he's gonna show us around the Air Force Base. So should be pretty exciting. I don't know if I could film or not because it is on the Air Force Base, but I'm gonna bring my camera just in case and see what we see. So hopefully we'll find something interesting. Follow you there. I just realized after watching that footage that it looks like I've got this black eye right here. I don't know what that's from, honestly. I do not have a black eye. Crystal has not been beating me. Don't know why that's so red. Must have been the workout. Kyle! What's up, man?
Oh, what's happening? What's the deal?
How you doing, Megan?
Good. Tired.
That's the new brick flavor?
Yep.
Is this your favorite flavor?
Definitely.
Alright, y'all, we're in the freezer. We are stocked up on keto bricks, y'all. We're gonna do a massive launch very, very soon. Get ready.
We're bringing bricks to Gary. That's what we're doing. We're collecting bricks for him. He's gonna try. You got him a new flavor?
Yeah, I got him.
He's got the new flavor in here. He's got a cinnamon in here. Yeah.
Yeah.
And a mocha.
Yeah.
Lucky man right there.
Lucky man.
What are we doing?
Believe it or not, we're going to Starbucks.
Woohoo! Starbucks.
I haven't been to Starbucks in forever.
All right.
One of my clients gave us a gift card for Christmas.
Super sweet of her.
You're 718, you have a right?
Yeah, how are you? Good.
There you go.
How much is on here, do you know?
Said what now?
How much is on here? So, my client, Gianna Swanson, she's the one that hooked us up with this gift card. And I'm like, okay, we'll go get us a coffee. Most gift cards for Starbucks are like 10, 15 bucks. So we got our coffees. I'm like, hey, how much left is on here? And he's like, $92.82. She got us a $100 gift card to Starbucks. Why are you so good to us? Thank you, thank you, thank you.
From behind the camera, thank you so much.
Yeah.
We really, really appreciate that. That was really sweet.
All right, Gabe, what are we doing here?
We are going to the C-130 pilot and engineer navigator simulators today.
So we'll know if I crashed it or not? Like it'll tell me?
You will know. You'll get what they call the big red screen of death.
Oh.
is what you'll get.
Alright, we don't want that. We don't want that.
I'm pretty sure there'll be a pilot in the seat, in the other seat. I'm pretty sure he won't let that happen.
Okay.
Unless you do something that's beyond his control, and then... Let them fly. Their likeness is going to go up just because you're in it.
There you go. So these are the simulators down here. We're about to jump in.
Excited, Robert?
Yeah, this is awesome.
No, it's sealed and everything like that. It's electronics and water don't really do.
This airplane's pretty sensitive in some respects, but it's also it takes a lot of movement to get it to move sometimes. Okay, and so the key is those white buttons right there. Okay, here on the throttles. Okay, and then right hand on the yoke. Okay, so you see where the trim buttons are up there, the white ones. Okay, so the way that works now, rudder authority. Okay, just put your feet up on the rudders.
With it?
Yeah, put your feet on the rudders there. Okay, nice and slow. Let's kind of push it on up here. 5, 10, a little more. Okay, good. See how the nose is going left? So push the right rudder. Okay. Keep hang over on the feet. Here with your feet. There you go. Okay. Okay. Now pull back a little bit on this yoke. A little bit. A little more. There. All right. Hold that fixed. See how it's wanting to climb? fly through in between the buildings if you try hard.
What happens if you like hit a building in the simulator?
Yeah, we crash. Yeah, he crashed. And then put the trim there, okay? Keep coming down. Keep those wings level, okay? As level as you can keep them. Okay? A little more power there. Keep those wings level. Level. Now we're gonna start bringing the nose back a little bit. Hold it up. A little bit more. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Nice. Okay. And we're gonna left trim set throttles. Come on, we're gonna do a takeoff. Okay. Now push forward a little bit. Okay. Now pull back just a little bit and get the nose to come up. Hold that picture, right there, hold it. Don't let it get away from you. There you go. And you get a trim.
You about ready to rumble, babe?
I guess.
Flying to Afghanistan.
Oh, we're driving to Afghanistan. Crazy.
PC-10s right there. Those are air refuelers.
We're in Afghanistan, y'all.
So crazy.
I think all the helicopters and stuff are parked on the other side.
Crystal's flying us, y'all. Get ready.
Yeah.
Keep those wings. Yeah, it does steer with this, okay? So this just keeps the wings level, okay? Now we're just gonna pull back just a little bit. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back.
More?
Yeah, a little bit. Right there. Now hold that. Then fly away. There we go. Kind of click forward with the trim. Forward on the trim. There. See how the nose wants to come up?
Yeah.
Push it forward. Make it go where you want it to come. There.
Oh.
And basically the same as that we're at Little Rock at 7,000 feet.
Alright, so we're going to level off here at 6,000 feet. We'll put the pointer right up and down, okay? And now we're going to start to turn. Remember how we do that? It's going to turn right, okay? So,
Turn right now?
and just stop it at about that 33 point. Okay. Are you having to hold a lot of pressure on the yoke?
No?
No?
Is that right where I want to
It
be?
needs to trim up. That's good. Trim it just a little bit more there.
Yeah.
Touch of power. Okay, now we're going to hold that picture there, right there, and we're just going to kind of let it fly onto the runway. When we get kind of close, then we're going to ease it back just a little bit, just to kind of get the nose to come up just a touch, okay? Keep it coming down. See that black spot there? That's where all the tires touch down. Right there, okay? Perfect. Just keep the wings level there. Keep it level. Keep it level. Keep it level. And I'm going to kind of start trimming back a little bit. Back. There we go.
Look at that, babe.
Yeah, terrible. Like the only reason it landed is because he was doing
Yeah,
it.
that's okay.
Alright, y'all, my battery's about to die on this camera, but we just got done checking out the simulators, checking out all the aircraft. Now we're gonna get some steak and saltgrass. A wedge salad action.
Here's my steak.
My steak. You just got the ribeye?
Yep.
Very nice. Alright, y'all, we just got done eating at Saltgrass. How was your steak?
Super good.
How was your steak?
Yeah, really good steak.
Good day, awesome day. Fun in the simulator. Good company with Gary. Awesome time, awesome meal. We're gonna shoot guns next time we hang out, so get ready for that. Right now, gotta go home, make a client call, so see you in a bit. What is happening, everybody? We've been back home for a while now. We've been working on the computer quite a bit, working with the employees quite a bit. Crystal's gonna rearrange the entire brick production room because she wants to make it more efficient, which I'm in full support of. We're both hungry. All my food is frozen, so I'm going to show you the magic of the Instant Pot. Get ready. So, we got the deep freeze here, and we have some salmon that Butcher Box sent me. So that's what we're gonna have. It's obviously frozen, but we can fix that. All right, so let me show the magic of the Instant Pot. We have 2 frozen salmon fillets. We have an Instant Pot. I put about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of water in there. I'm going to put a splash of apple cider vinegar in there. I don't really know why I put apple cider vinegar in there, just because. And then I have my wild Alaskan salmon skin on. I put that in with the skin side down, like so, frozen still. Then I get some of this olive oil and I just drizzle a little bit on top, like so. And then, let me show you what I got. I simply get the Instant Pot top. I put it on there, and I hit manual. Oh, that's key form. I hit manual. Start over here. I hit manual for not 95 minutes, but 5 minutes. So fast forward here. And voila. Once that comes up to pressure, it'll cook for 5 minutes. I'll let it naturally release pressure for another 5 minutes. And then my once frozen salmon is now cooked, tender, flaky, delicious in no time. Boom. Alright, I am taking out all of the lights and replacing them with brighter lights while my salmon's cooking. If y'all are on YouTube, if y'all videotape or anything, if y'all are making any kind of videos at all, really, switch out all your lights to daylight lights, which are higher Kelvin. Like those that I just bought are 6500 Kelvin. Much brighter. Like it's super dark in here. Like you want a bright light for videos. Anyways, the salmon's done. Let's check it out. It's all smoky in there, but it is fully cooked. Let's take a bite. Alright, so that is the salmon now that it is out and ready to be eaten. Doesn't it look good? Alright, so I am no chef by any means, but the ability to get a frozen piece of meat and have it cooked within 10 minutes is pretty nice. Especially when all you have to do is push a button. By the way, this was the salmon from Butcher Box. They sent this to me. Delicious salmon. It's, I believe, wild Alaskan sockeye salmon, I think. But super tasty, super flavorful. I'm excited to be eating it and grateful for y'all sending me some meat. Appreciate it. Alright, so check it out. Y'all can probably tell the difference in the hall lighting right now as is. Just way brighter. This room is significantly brighter than it was. All of those are burnt out, not the bulbs, but the whole circuit's jacked up, so that is not cool. But I say all that to say that my productivity is going to increase because I'm in a brighter atmosphere, and I'm all about increased productivity. Now, I'm going to wrap up today's vlog. It was an awesome day. Had a ton of fun with Gary and Crystal. It was just super cool for him to be able to take us to the flight simulator. I mean, we sat down in that chair and it was like the real deal. So, I mean, like all the instruments are there. I think he was saying that it's like a $25 million piece of, you know, training equipment right there. So to be able to sit in that and then, you know, simulate a flight of a C-130, it's pretty freaking cool. Not sure what that has to do with keto, but it was fun nonetheless. He's one of Crystal's clients. So kind of bringing it full circle back to keto there. We went out to eat afterwards, we talked about keto, we talked about the community, talked about life in general. Awesome guy. Thanks a million, Gary, for the opportunity. I definitely appreciate it. Tomorrow, what is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow's gonna be a busy day. We're gonna have a busy week coming up. But rather than me tell you what we got going on right now, I'm just gonna let the temptation build so that you can see what we have going on when I release that vlog. So get ready and good night.